How molecular profiling is changing the fight against lung cancer. It's estimated that over 220,000 new cases of lung cancer are diagnosed in the US each year, enough to fill 3 professional football stadiums. And yet, for many of them, those with advanced non-small cell lung cancer, or NSCLC, the standard approach to treatment has been mostly one-size-fits-all. That's why you, or anyone you know who is affected by lung cancer, should know about molecular testing. Testing your tumor for biomarkers may allow your doctor to know the molecular profile of your tumor. And molecular profiling is changing the way doctors diagnose and treat people with certain types of NSCLC. You can't see what actually causes NSCLC under the microscope. So for decades, most of these lung cancers have been treated the same. But different types of NSCLC can respond very differently to treatment. As scientists study cancer cells at the molecular level, they're finding the genetic mutations or changes that cause NSCLC. Normal genes work like little machines. They turn on and off in an orderly way, making protein messages that tell the cell what to do, including when to grow and when to make new cells. But when certain genes are altered by mutation, they make proteins when they're not supposed to, or they make the wrong proteins. The cell then begins to grow and multiply abnormally, becoming a cancer cell. Molecular testing is used to look for these altered genes or proteins, also called biomarkers. If your tumor tests positive for a certain biomarker, it means your tumor has that gene mutation, and it may be possible to find a medicine that helps block the action of that gene mutation. Or you might be eligible for a clinical trial for an experimental medicine. Medicines that help block the action of gene mutations are called biomarker-driven therapies. Not everyone will test positive for a biomarker, and not all biomarkers have a biomarker-driven treatment option. But it's a good reason to talk to your doctor about getting tested. Remember those 3 football stadiums full of people? Over 220,000 of them diagnosed with lung cancer each year? Well, imagine what could be accomplished if all of those people committed to having a conversation with their doctors about molecular testing. If they joined together with healthcare professionals and caregivers, research scientists and advocates to raise awareness about molecular testing. That's what we're trying to do with United We Test. So join us and help us spread the word. Share this video, send it to someone important to you. Share it at work, post it to Facebook or Twitter. And if you have lung cancer, please talk to your doctor about getting tested. Our goal is to change the fight against lung cancer, and we can all make a difference.